Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, June 1st. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. Not a good day for me, not a good start to the month. Nobody's fault but my own. Plus, I had every opportunity in the world to get it back and more. Had some good trades, didn't hold them long enough. Had a really bad trade that I held way too long. Started off the day good. Well, first off, what happened today? Well, longs just puked up and shorts jumped in. We go out with a double distribution day. Single prints, right? We're going to treat tomorrow as two separate days. L's high to the day's low, and all of A's range is the upper distribution. Same with Q's. Russell doesn't have any, but we will use L as an afternoon rally high. So the market opened, just missed yesterday's high, came back through the opening, and then just drove straight down, basically $10. And unfortunately, I wasn't expecting that, and I got caught starting at the point of control from yesterday. But first, A period, I had two good shorts. I had one against yesterday's high, and I had one below the opening. I was expecting B to get down to at least a POC. I did 417 and 416 puts on those, but it never got really going. Then when it finally got down to POC, I started a long. I started the I didn't write down what it was. Oh, yes, I did. First the 412s, which was small. Then I went to the 411 calls, and I got very sizable around B's low against yesterday's low. It did give me an opportunity when it pulled back up to get out. When C opened up, I got out of a bunch. I cut my loss by more than half. It was down a lot. Cut it by more than half and got out of it. But it was still a pretty sizable loss. The real frustrating thing is D period. I tried to grab a 100 put play and didn't get it, and stubborn me refused to chase, and obviously that would have been the thing to do because it would have gotten back all my loss and more if I had gotten it. I was long upwards of 300 calls in B period, and that short play would have gotten back a lot of it. I did make some nice longs then in G period. It looked like we wanted to stop the one-time framing. So I got long the 407 calls. Then again, the 405 calls when we pushed back down, made a new low and got nothing for it. Again, if I had held them, would have gotten everything back. So that was very frustrating. Same with H, another long, to fill those single prints in D that we had small. So I chipped the loss back down to just under $6,000, which was pretty damn good considering what it was. But then I took a short in I, which I lost a little on, not a lot. And then another one in J, which I ended up getting paid on at half back. Took a decent sized one. It pulled back some. I was just trying to chip away at this loss. But here's where I got too biased. When L had a reversal bar and pulled back, I decided to buy a lot of the 414 calls. Now they're only 25 cents, but I started with 100 of them. Net, I ended up giving back another $2,000. So I ended up losing just about $8,000 on the day. It was a lot more than that. Not happy with it for a couple of reasons. A, never should have held along that long in B. Have to admit when you're wrong, right? Tell my room that all the time. Doesn't matter. We have to respect how much the short-term traders can move it. But I did get a lot back, and I really wanted the short. I can't get stubborn and because I missed the short, not jump in at some point. And when I do have a good play, which I had a couple of real nice ones in G and H period on longs, got to stay a little more patient because, again, I would have gotten back a lot more that I was down. But it is what that happens. As far as destinations for the upside, we have today's single prints. They start at L's high at 412.55, get filled at A's low, 413.94. So they're 139 ticks. They were $3 at one point. Then we have today's high at 416.24 and yesterday's high 416.46. For the downside, we have 406.93, today's low. Then we don't have anything to 404.53, afternoon pullback low from the 26th. Single prints, 402.84 to 81. And if we got down to there, that would coincide with the 20-day moving average just about. And then 398.45. Now, on the chart. I'll just show you the daily. We came into a 3-day balance, so we were up today, right? Markets don't go bull bear. So the market was bull. We took out yesterday's low, which put us to balance. It's a 3-day balance now. I said this would be healthy for the market. I just didn't want to see it happen in 2 straight time frames, obviously, especially since I was long. I'm not surprised we took out yesterday's low, but I didn't expect them to rip down as hard as they did. But we are in a 3-day balance. We took out Friday's low by a little bit, not by a lot, right? So for now, 407.70. I'm sorry, what did we take it out by? 407.70. Oh, we took it out by 70 cents, but we came back in, so we stretched it. So here's the bottom line. If we take out today's low, the daily goes from balance to down. If we take out today's high, the market goes from balance back to up. So that's what we're looking at. We went bull and now balance. So it remains to be seen. Hope you had a better start to the month of June than I did. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Have a great evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.